After removing everything, or almost everything that was in the box, now we have an empty box. We have a camera that came in with this broken mount. Hopefully the camera itself is not broken, but the mount is ruined, clearly. That's pretty sad. The instructions right here, a cloth to wipe the lens, some kind of instruction, some other kind of mount. So what would you need two of these? I don't know. You have a little tripod that comes with it, and this looks pretty nice. A mount, I guess, for the car. Another mount of some sort. You have a micro SD card in there with a reader, the charging cable, and I have no idea what this is. It does say it comes with a remote. Includes, oh no, it says includes 16 gigabyte memory card and accessories. Whoa, there's another reader in there. Some kind of watch thing. And maybe this was the remote they were talking about. Who knows? Anyway, pretty sad about this. Thanks for watching, guys. And let's hope the camera works.